Welcome to New Song Cafe at worshiptogether.com. I'm Vicky Beeching, and today I'm joined by Martin Smith and Stu G of band Delirious. Martin and Stu are going to share their song, Rain Down, so I hope you really enjoy this New Song Cafe at worshiptogether.com. Guys, I'm so excited to have you here today.
Thank you, it's great.
And we're going to be hearing your song, Rain Down.
That's right. It's, this song all started out of a Stu G riff. We were playing at a festival in America somewhere, and he started this riff, which is the infamous intro. And out of nowhere, I sort of leapt to the microphone and started singing Rain Down, and it sort of developed, and we changed the key, and then we had this monster middle section, the Do Not Shut the Heavens section. So yeah, that's how it ended up, and it's on the brand new record, so we're really pleased.
Wow, and what's the record called?
World Service.
We would love to hear the song. Would you play it for us?
Definitely, absolutely, Mr. Stu G.
Rain down, looks like tonight the sky is heavy, feels like the winds are gonna change. Beneath my face, the earth is ready, though it's time for heaven's rain. Yeah, it's gonna rain. Yeah, 'cause it's living water we desire, so flood our hearts with holy fire. Rain down, all around the world we're singing. Rain down, can you hear the earth is singing? Rain down, my heart is dry but still I'm singing. Rain down, rain it down on us.
Cool, very cool. And then maybe you could just go first and show us what you're playing, and then Stu, you could show us your chords.
Okay, I'm doing of course, the more simple stuff, and the chorus is just C and F, so it's really easy. There you go, very easy, very easy.
Cool, and then what were you playing?
And I'm just playing a little riff using some open strings again. Again, I'm tuned down a whole tone every string, and I'm playing it in D instead of C, just to get the open strings. And I'll play this.
Here we go! 2, 1, hands in the air!
Anyway.
Cool, and that really adds, doesn't it? Like, just hugely builds on those basic chords.
Yeah, I think, you know, because we've worked together a lot, and because we often play guitar, you know, it's important to find things that are slightly different to play. You don't just want to play the same thing as your partner, so it's good to, it just adds a bit of width, a bit of dynamic.
There's really cool little things, like if you, Stu, you play a G chord.
Yeah.
So even by bunging a capo on 5, and you got the same chord, but it's just...
Just makes the whole thing a lot
it's
richer, doesn't it?
Light and bright and fluffy.
Definitely. Wow. It's been fun to have you guys here.
It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you. Thanks very much.